Hi, I'm Lisa. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is my year-end dividend update. So, what is a dividend? Dividends are amounts paid usually on a quarterly or monthly basis by a company to the shareholder for each share of stock that they own. First, I want to talk a little bit about the biggest position in my dividend portfolio, which is ticker symbol O, Realty Income. It's a REIT, a real estate investment trust. It has a dividend yield of 5.37%. It stands out amongst dividend paying companies because they've increased their dividend for 104 consecutive quarters. In addition to that, they have a 13,000 unit portfolio of commercial properties, and 90% of its rent are coming from renters that have been resilient throughout the economic downturns that we've been going through. For example, CVS, BJ's, dollar stores, and they're still making steps to grow their company. They're in an ongoing acquisition currently to acquire Spirit Realty, which is valued at $9.3 billion. I did a separate video about that recently. So, for these reasons and more, I've been adding this particular REIT to my portfolio to be a long-term hold, stable, high-yield dividend in my passive income portfolio that I'm building over on MooMoo. So this all started a little over a year ago as a part of a challenge on Kenan Grace's Discord, the Passive Income Challenge. And I started there with my commitment to start buying weekly into dividend paying stocks. And my first goal that I set for myself was to get to 100 shares. I accomplished that by building on my positions little by little, week by week. 10 months ago, I had 30 shares total between my Realty Income, Main Street Capital, and SPHD. But I ended the year with 100 shares of Realty Income, 30 shares of Main Street Capital, and 38 shares of SPHD for a total of 168 shares that I've acquired within this portfolio. And as I said, I did this little by little, week by week. I'm sharing my Realty Income buys here, and you see each one of these little green little triangles with a B on it is me buying throughout the year. All right, so now let's take a look at my dividends received for the month of December. So over on MooMoo, I have Main Street Capital, Realty Income, and SPHD. And those all pay monthly. And for the month of December, I received $37.51. Over on Public, I received my quarterly payment for VTI, $15.85. And on Webull, I have Ford, Realty Income, Target, VTI, little overlap, and VOO. And I received $50.91. So for the month of December, I have a total of $104.27. And now let's look at the year to date across the three portfolios. I've received $476.39. And my highest payment is coming from Realty Income, $143.93. In 2024, I'll be adding something new to my passive income portfolio, and it will be SCHD, the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. In my next dividend update, there will be SCHD in my portfolio, and I will give you an update on how it's going. So for right now, I'll be setting myself alert so I can keep on top of the price and make a plan on how I'm going to start to build up my position. So I'm going to have links in the description. If you're ready to start on your financial journey or start a new portfolio, please use my link. We'll both get free stock. You'll be supporting the channel. And if you enjoy these updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. So now I want to talk about the DRIP, Dividend Reinvestment Plan. So it's a way for you to automatically put your proceeds from your dividends to purchase more shares. And here's an example of that. I had this turned on in my public account. So I received my $15.85 dividend, and the app automatically reinvested into more VTI. Webull did not have this option. My dividend payments would just go into my cash balance. But I noticed something new since my last dividend update video that I wanted to share. So this notification came out on November 30th saying, great news, the drip is now available on Webull. So I just wanted to bring this to everyone's attention in case you missed it. In my app, I'm getting notifications now saying I can automatically reinvest my dividends. And the app is even giving me a list of my investments that are eligible to turn on the drip. So that's it. That's my year-end update. Investing takes time, especially if you have a limited budget, a small budget, but you can do it. It just takes consistency. Make a plan, whether it's $5 or $10, one share every paycheck, whatever works for you. Just stay consistent, and in time, you can build up your share sizes and achieve the goals that you set for yourself. Happy New Year to everyone. Let's start off 2024 on the right foot, and let's save, invest, build wealth, and continue to stay out of debt together throughout 2024. Drop me a comment with any questions that you have. Okay, bye.